My beloved people, I am Mother Nature, Mother of all life. I am bringing you an important message. When I see how you destroy all living things, I feel pain. It hurts me. You are spiritual beings, beings of compassion, love, feelings. You know you love all animals, and this is what you teach your children. Even though you don't want animals to suffer, you turn a blind eye when it comes to eating them. Your love for animals is true, but at the same time, a great lie. By denying your love for animals, you are denying your own goodness. Your ways of living and eating have disrupted the balance all over the world. Animals feel pain and fear for their life. Eating meat is the reason for cruelty towards animals. On the other hand, plants don't mind being grown and eaten. They don't feel pain. By switching to plant food, you co-create the world of happiness and joy. Your need for meat comes from ancient beliefs written in your genes. Your body does not need any food of animal origin, as all nutrients can be found in plants. My message is simple. Stop eating animals. Your hearts are capable of love. By eating plants, you will reduce suffering and climate change and drastically improve your health. Stop eating meat. Save the planet.